Good morning friends, today it's 18th of March 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. Since start of this month we have been saying that the index has witnessed a decent cut last month and has entered into an oversold zone. Thus a pullback can be expected, keeping in mind important and positional support of 21,750 odd levels. One can look for buy on dips, expecting a pullback towards highs of 22,850 and extended 23,250, which can act as a strong immediate hurdle, and a fresh selling can be expected around those levels. In line with the outlook we have seen in last few sessions that the index has been within a range with buy on dip outlook, and yesterday it ended the session over and above 22,500 mark in green, up 0.5%. Technically, we continue to hold the outlook that holding over and above 22,350 and 22,200 mark, the bias remains buy on dip in short-term time frame, expecting a move towards 22,850 in days to come. Today we are expecting a gap up opening, and as per the price study, dips towards 22,500 and lower 22,400 odd levels can be looked for buying, keeping a stop of 50 odd points, expecting a move on the higher end. 22,750 and 22,850 can be expected to be tested, which can act as intraday hurdles. As per the weekly option data for 20th of March, we can see that the maximum put buildup is at around 22,500 strike price, while the maximum call buildup is at around 23,000 call, which indicates that holding over and above 22,500 mark, the index can attempt towards 23,000 levels in days to come. If we talk about Bank Nifty, in last 1 month it has formed a base at around 47,500 mark. That was an important level which was tested on 13th of Jan, followed by 27th of Jan, and then was re-attempted 47,800 odd levels on 3rd of March, followed by the lower lows of 47,700 on 11th of March. So cluster support has been witnessed around 47,500 to 48,000 mark, and we have seen that the index has bounced back from those levels. So 47,500 remains a very important support level, and that level has been mentioned since last few sessions, and holding over which we can expect a pullback with an important resistance at around 49,000 mark. So Bank Nifty remains buy on dip over and above 47,500 mark, but it need to sustain over and above 49,000 levels in order to witness short covering come fresh buying interest, which can take the index towards 50,500 mark. So overall the bias remains range 47,500 49,000 mark is an immediate range with buy on dip and sell on rise outlook for Bank Nifty. Yesterday it ended at 48,350, up 0.61%. For the day today, we are expecting that the index Bank Nifty spot holding over and above 48,200 should be traded with a positive bias, with a resistance at around 47,800 mark, which is an important hurdle, and any pullback toward those levels can be looked for contra trading short bets with strict stop losses. So broadly, counter specific actions remains in focus, and we are positive over interest sensitive sectors for a pullback, metal pack, oil marketing companies, cement pack. So selective buying should be looked into for this attempted pullback in the index and the market as a whole, and pullback towards resistance levels should be looked for profit taking, because the major trend still remains down unless and until Nifty sustains over and above 23,250 odd levels for a couple of weeks. The bias will remain sell on rise towards those levels. Positionally, one need to be cautious with leverage positions. Pullbacks should be looked to take some profits. That's all from my end. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.